So listen, maintaining a proper diet to bulk up or to even lose weight, it's not that hard. The hard part is showing up to the gym every day, being consistent and being disciplined. That's the hard part. The hard part is eating a lot of food even when you don't have any appetite for it. The hard part is being patient about the process and sticking to it. So these are the actual difficult part about bulking up. Anything else, just don't care for it. Just be free. And yeah. So yes, stop thinking about all these calorie in, calorie out, tracking protein, using an app for tracking everything. Forget about all these things. It's all about being consistent and being disciplined. It's all about showing up every single day, even when you don't want to, even when you're tired, even when you're mentally not prepared, even when you have problems going on. Showing up to the gym, eating right, not going out with your friends on a Friday night to get drunk, not drinking, not smoking, not eating trash. That's the thing. So it's all about being consistent and being disciplined. And the only way that you can do that is if you have good mental health. I mean, just think about it. You're probably watching this video because you want to build a good body, because you want to attract that girl, or you want to make your ex regret for ditching you. All of this is a sign of poor mental health. I mean, your goal is not to be fit and healthy. Your goal is to make someone feel bad for ditching you, or all of this to get that hottest girl in your class just to make your ex jealous. So if this is you, you will never do this for the long run. You will never be able to sustain whatever you achieve, because once you go where you want, you'll be like, oh, okay, I'll go what I wanted. Now what? You will have no goal, no path, nothing to aim for. Is that what you want? So your mental health is the most important thing that you need to fix if you want to build a good looking body. If you want to get rid of your skinny, fat, overweight, trash body, you need to fix your mental health. So my advice for you is to do it for you. Do it because you want to look good in clothes. Do it because you want to make yourself more presentable. Do it because others will feel safe around you. And do it to earn respect from others who are in this space. Do it for you. All right, so the last and final thing that I want you guys to understand and accept is accepting the reality. Forget about all these influencers, progress pictures, and everything that you see on Instagram. Those are just not real. These people who advertise themselves are lying to you. They're lying to you because they want to sell their program to you. They're telling you all these bullshit stories that they gained this much muscle within this period of time. It's just not real, and the pictures that you see is not true. That's not how they look. Those pictures are taken under really good lighting condition with pump, and they're edited and then they're presented to you. These guys are doing this to sell their program to you. You really cannot get jacked and shredded within 3 years, just like how you see on the internet naturally. It's just not possible. So stop comparing yourself to the people that you see on the internet. I mean, obviously you can compare yourself to someone like me, but not those pussies, man. Not them, who tries to persuade you to buy their programs and courses and make money out of you. So yes, that's it. So I've told you guys everything that I did to build a body from being a really skinny, lean dude. And yeah, I've also talked about the kind of mentality that you would need in order to achieve it. So that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them on the comment section. You can DM me personally on Instagram. I'll leave that link down in the description too. So that's about it. Thank you. Bye.